Hi, I'm Pip from Queen Pip Cards and the Card Making Know-How Academy. Do you want to add some stunning designs to your cards without needing to draw freehand? Stencils are a simple but powerful tool for adding dimension and interest, and in today's Crafty Corner episode, I'm sharing some fun ways in which you can use them. They can completely transform your cards, and they're perfect for beginners and more experienced crafters alike, because they're so easy to use. So here are some three ways in which you can use them. So first of all, ink blending. Use a blending brush or a sponge to softly add colour over a stencil for a gorgeous background. Just lay it onto either light coloured card or white or cream, and then just use the ink blending tool to just add some ink over the top. When you lift the stencil off, you'll have a beautiful design underneath. This is great for big stencils that have like a repetitive pattern or something like that that you can use. There are also things called layering stencils on the market, which are multiple stencils that you layer in a specific order and use different colours to create depth and dimension. So you can build up things like flowers, floral displays, or geometric shapes, trees I've seen. There's just loads of them around that you can just add layer upon layer, and it just builds up the image for you. So that's really great. And then embossing paste. If you are a more experienced card maker, try applying paste through the stencil to create a raised and textured effect. It's a real wow factor and gives that extra texture to your projects. So I hope today I've shown you that stencils are versatile, they're reusable, and so much fun to experiment with. And once you start, you won't want to stop. If you'd like some more step-by-step techniques like this, and actually to see that in action, then join the Card Making Know-How Academy and discover how easy it is to make professional looking cards, upskill your knowledge and expand your techniques with my step-by-step videos, tutorials, workbooks, guidebooks, and all the other things that I bring to the Card Making Know-How Academy, including the ability to come along and have social chit chat and stamping sessions, card making sessions with us once a month, and the ability to ask me questions directly over Zoom, again once a month in my Ask Queen Pip hot seat. So if that sounds like your kind of fun, then come along and join the Card Making Know-How Academy today. The URL is just here or in the description below, and we would love to have you come and join us. I hope you found that today's little tips helpful, maybe giving you some ideas, things that you might want to use. So give it a go, see what you think. I'd love to see your makes as well. So if you're in one of my public Facebook forums, then please come and share. Or if you're in the hub, come and share your makes with us there too. I'll put my teeth in. All right. Thanks ever so much for watching. Take care. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.